Okay, let's say a little update on the garden. The squash and zucchini are completely gone, so all I have left now is the corn's completely done. Of course, all I have is these tomato plants. I have two different varieties of tomato plants. I have Better Boys on this end, and I have Heirlooms down there. And so they're looking a little rough. This middle section here is one of those tomato worms got into it. And I have this Lunchbox Red plant out here, which needs some water, by the way. But look at these peppers. Look at that, it looks good. And a few blooms. So those are looking good. Yeah, so got these few small tomatoes. These tomato plants have gotten big, and see, I just quit messing with them, and I kind of gave up on them. It's so hot, they weren't doing anything. So, but then when the heat dissipated a little bit, I noticed that they started rebounding, started putting out little flowers, so that was encouraging. All right, so now the only thing on this whole side is these peppers, and I wanted to show you these peppers. And I harvested one yesterday and one a couple days before that, so yeah. So anyway, that's the update on the garden. So the garden's about done, but we're gonna hang in there. I've got a habanero plant and a Tabasco pepper plant up front by my front door that are doing really well. They've produced really well, but I've been able to actually spend a little bit more time fertilizing them. But anyway, that's my update on the garden. And these little yellow flowers are so beautiful. I just want to share that with you guys. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So anyway, it's a beautiful day out here. Just want to share with y'all. All right. Love y'all. Bye.